In this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance, new method. So let me show you the new method on how to transfer USDT Binance to Binance. After you open up your Binance app, go to assets. After you go to assets, so from the asset section, so here you have two options. You have funding and you have spot. So now locate where your balance of the USDT is in. So I have USDT in my funding. I'll select this funding. So here is it now, select USDT. So now tap on the send button. So now select this one, the first option, send to Binance users. And then now you have two options. So if you want, you can send the USDT to the person via his email address or phone number. So now ask the person that you want to send him the USDT. He should send you his phone number or email address that is linked to his Binance account. So after you get the phone number or email address, just tap on this option and now type in the phone number or email address in this option. Or you can ask the person to send you his Binance ID. So tap on this Binance ID and then type in the Binance ID of the person. So just now I'll just add this Binance ID. After you add in the Binance ID, tap on this continue button. So from this option, so now tap on this option now to type in the amount that you want to send, amount of the USDT. So I'll type in 0.2. After you type in the amount you want to send, so you can tap on this continue button. So after you tap on the continue button, so here is the option. So now if I tap on this confirm button, now this USDT will be sent to this person. So now here is the email, here is the nickname or username of the person. That's it guys on how to send USDT from Binance to Binance.